So this video will show you how to download video from anywhere directly into your gallery. So if you are just seeing me for the first time, you can follow this account so that you can be getting some smart ideas daily. Let's go. So what you do is you go to any social media. So let's say we want to let's download the video from TikTok. So enter TikTok. Okay, so we are there on TikTok. So we just keep scrolling to pick any random video. Okay, let's just say I want to download this video now. In every video on any platform, you will see that button to share. So that share button, you just click on it. So this one I want to click on share. Click on it. So it will display. Under that share, you will not see, look at them. You have repost, copy link, and another. So you copy the link, the URL, copy the link. So sorry, my signal is so bad. Okay, so the link is copied. After copying the link, you now go to your browser, any browser that you have in your phone. You can use anyone. So this is my browser. Let me open another page in this browser. So when you open your browser, you just type save from net. Open that website, save from net. Okay, so this first one, this green one, just click on it. That's the website from which you can download anything. So the website is open now. Now you see, enter the URL. That link we just copy from TikTok. That's the link to that video. I will paste it here. Paste. Once you paste, automatically this website will search for that video. So let's wait. So this is the same video. You see, so the video is here now. You just click on download, and that's it. Ignore this one. This is just advert. So downloading have started now. Let me show you. See, it's downloading now. It's downloading. So while this is downloading, let's try the same thing for Facebook. It's the same thing. So you go to your Facebook. Let's look for any random video.
Hello,
okay.
My dear.
This
well,
one
as
video.
you can see,
this is one video. You still click on this share.
we're in a terrible situation.
Click on share.
Between.
Okay, it's open now. So under the share, you see send in WhatsApp, share to a group. There are still more options. So click on this more. If that's how your own displayed. We're just looking for the link, that's all. So this is the link at the top. See, copy URL. Just click on that, touch the copy to copy your link. So the link is copied already. So let me go to my browser again and wipe off this link. This link I just downloaded from, I copied from TikTok. Let me remove this one and put this new one for Facebook. So let me clear it. Okay, so let me put this new link and allow it to load. So this is the second video, the one from Facebook. So I just click on download, and that's it, to start downloading into my gallery. Now all of these videos were downloading from all the social media platforms. They don't have watermark. So that is how you download videos from either Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and whatever. So let's go to our gallery. At least the first one must be there. Okay, so these are the two videos. This one is the one from Facebook. This one is the one from TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, you can enter the comment section and type thank you, just to show appreciation. And you can like this page so that you can be seeing more of such videos from me. See you in our next video.